This is a 57kg UAR contest scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds and sponsored by Shield Ruairi. In the red corner representing Sekioko Chin Island, put your hands together for Ruairi. And his opponent facing across the cage in the blue corner from Bad Boy MMA Gateshead, let's hear it for Sam Bad! Again, this bout is scheduled for 3 3-minute rounds. Your referee, Bill.
Nice and relaxed, Sam. Touch and go. Get you on the hip. That's it. That's it. Hips in. Hips in. Hips in. Nice and relaxed. Take the single. Foot stomp. Foot stomp. There. You need it. Half together. Double half together. Step your left leg round. Left leg round, Sam. There we are. Good. Done it. Good. Bounce him off the fence, Sam. Bounce him. Bounce him. Bounce him. Bounce him, Sam. Bounce him. There we are. Right, Sam. Pass. Pass.
Sam, left knee inside. Left knee inside, Sam.
Good. Control. Control. Wait. Pass. Good. Watch. He's going to bump himself towards you. Good. Watch the fence. Watch the arm. Watch the arm. Watch the arm. Good.
That right there. That right hand right there.
Go on the ball, Sam. Underhook. Good. Step. Good. Foot stomp, Sam. Foot stomp. Stop with his foot. Sam, foot stomps here. Foot stomps here. Good man. Nice. Circle again. Circle again. Knee. Knee. Sam, create space in knee. Sam, create space right knee. Sam, watch. Posture. Posture. Run. Halfway. Sam, halfway through the round. Halfway. Take his head to the fence, Sam. Take his head to the fence. Take his head to the fence. And keep your head on his chin. Keep your head on his chin here. Come on, come on, come on.
Head in the center.
Come on. There we are. There we are. Control. Hands to the inside. Head on his chin. Head on his chin. Head on his chin. Keep that pressure on.
Hips high.
Good. Good. Watch the arm bar. 1 minute left, Sam. You still get the pass there. Control. Control. That's it. Drop your knees. Good. That's it. You've done it. You've done it. Go for the choke. Go for the choke. Go for the choke. You've done it. You've done it. You've done it. Sam, hips down. Flat them out. Flat them out, Sam. Give him 30 seconds. Give him 30 seconds. Keep going, Sam. He's going to give up. He's going to give up. He's going to give up. Keep going, Sam. Keep going. Sam. Keep going. You got it. You got it. He's going to sleep. He's going to sleep. Yeah. Take it in, guys. Take it in.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for both our warriors. We've got a winner from a rear naked choke after 2 minutes 47 seconds of round number 1. With your winner in the blue corner, Sam Bad. And let's hear it for